Part 3, Engine Rebuild.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
Well, time to do an unboxing. I've never seen these heads. You saw in a previous video about 2 months ago when they arrived. One actually got lost, and it took, I don't know, about 2 or 3 weeks for UPS to find it. But lo and behold, they did find it. So this is an unboxing of sorts. We're going to see what this thing's made of, or at least looks like. All right, well, here we go. Woo-wee!
Oh, we got spiders.
Yep. We got tenants we have to evict out of here. Now this will be sprayed with penetrating oil, this stuff in particular. Thrust. I guess this is what you get when you leave the heads in a OSB box for, I don't know, 2-3 months. We'll soak that right down. Just like a 50 cal in the Army, man. You just soak them down. You are evicted. You know what they call that game? Whack-a-mole. Whack-a-mole for mechanics.
Nope, none of them are froze up.
That's always a bonus. Okay, so we're ready for the heads. And there is the head gasket going on there. You're gonna break your back putting that on there.
Not necessarily.
Those are not light heads. They're about 75 pounds a piece. If you need me to get up there, I'll put the camera down just to get the damn thing on there. Work smarter, not harder. We can both get a grip on that head. So if you've ever placed a head on a block, there's nothing gingerly about it. The key is doing it, not damaging the head gasket itself. All I can say is son of a bitch. It's on there. Now that head gasket is not damaged, is it?
No.
Okay. Because I can't see it from my side, but that's one on there.
No, that head gasket's good.
You can see it's got the 345, although it's upside down and probably backwards now that I've uploaded it. Got the, I can't see it there, it is, the IH tag. All right, and here's a front view of that head that we just put on there. You see the head bolts going in. I can't remember if he said these came off a Scout or what. Cannot recall. Either way, they're on a 1600. This reminds me of when the heads got reworked on the David Brown 1200 tractor. Man, that sucker ran like a dream. Started like a dream too. That was a good machine. That thing, that was one of the only diesels I've ever seen. If you just plugged it in, hop up there, turnkey, fire right up. Alright, so you can see both heads are on. Now we're getting ready to torque down the head bolts. And this is 92 foot-pounds, as I said, I believe, earlier in the video.
You torque the heads down in stages. You start out at like 40 to 45, then you go 65, and then you go up to your 92.
Yep. Yes, sirree.
You always start in the middle.
Okay, diddle diddle. Start off in the middle. That's the old slipperoony. And you go until you hear the click. And this is the last round on these. This is 92 here, so. Okay, so the valley pan's in. The lifters, the valley pan, the water pump's going on. Day 3 progress, in effect. Alright, you can see the rocker assembly. Getting every rocker arm to line up just right in each hole can be challenging. Alright, got one rocker assembly installed, got the water pump housing in, and getting ready to put the other rocker assembly on. That's going to end day 3. Got the water pump installed, both rocker assemblies, the heads. Yeah, timing cover. I'm happy. See you tomorrow. Thanks for viewing.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.